just stop right there. You're about to see the review of the best zombie figure ever made, and it's an unofficial Patriot Studios exclusive. Thank you, Patriot Studios. This is great. Alright guys, my latest shipment from AliExpress. This should be the Patriot Toys Anger Zombie. This thing has been sold out. I apparently bought one of the last ones from AliExpress. Oh my gosh. Guys, Patriot Toys from AliExpress. Please be good. Please be legit. Okay, let's... You know what? I gotta do a shout out to this spot. They packaged it way better than the previous place packaged it. I appreciate that, because this wasn't cheap. This was $80 shipped from AliExpress because it was the last one. They price gouged me, but oh yeah, baby. That's what I'm talking about. Look at that. It's got the seal on it. Let's open her up. So here we are. The Zombie Studios, considered to be one of the best zombies from Resident Evil. Look at this guy. I am super excited. Patriot Studios has been absolutely killing it lately. Again, these are sold out on AliExpress. They said there's supposed to be more coming in. But let's see. There he is. He's here. He's real. Look at this guy. Oh, wow. He's the one I wanted with the mouth open. Oh, this guy's going to look fantastic once he's displayed. Wow, look at how good he is. This is the Patriot Studios, The Anger. And he comes with a police hat, posters. Look at this poster he comes with. He's got a little radio. He's got a revolver. He's got a police belt and a police hat. Let's get that hat on him. Oh, heck yeah. This is awesome. Look at him with the hat on. This is... Shout out to AliExpress. Shout out to Patriot Studios. This is fantastic. Rawr. Dude, this is... Look at the detail on this dude. Very happy with this. Thank you, AliExpress. I can't wait to do the review on this guy. I finally have the full Patriot Studio, every single Resident Evil 4 and 2 figure that they've released, except for Lady D and the daughters. But wow. Just stop right there. You're about to see the review of the best zombie figure ever made, and it's an unofficial Patriot Studios exclusive. Thank you, Patriot Studios. This is great. And thank you, AliExpress. This is apparently the last guy. There's supposed to be more coming in May of 2024. So hopefully you'll be able to order these. These are going for like $100-something on eBay, but AliExpress, again, for the win. Let me put this stuff back. And I've just been waiting for everything to come in so that I can do a master review. Kind of like Set Down Bros. I'm going to go all out for these Patriot Studio reviews because I am just such a big Resident Evil fan. Even though Patriot Studios low-key is bogus to me, I will still do this for them. I asked them if they would send me any free figures. They were like, you've got like 20 subscribers, bro. I was like, bro, my other channel's got 114,000. But in all fairness, that's not a toy review channel. That's a vlogging channel. This is toy reviews. And I am super excited to have the anger from Patriot Studios. Oh wait, let me get this seal on correct. I don't want to... Guys, this made my day that this showed up, by the way. I freaking love this thing. I love this. I love these characters. Patriot Studios has just done such a great job. I'm so excited. This seller, I will link them in the comments below, but this seller packaged it excellent compared to the guy who sold me the liquor. He did a horrible job. He shipped it in a bag. So big shout out. I'll make sure to link a comment. But yes, this thing is awesome, guys. Easily my favorite zombie ever made. I love the packaging. I love Patriot Studio. Thank you, and thank you. Can't wait to get this bad boy going.